So I picked up 3 Disciples, 200 shot. I paid 200 for it, not too bad. Picked up Thriller. Had to give me a case of those. I like these because the effects on them. All of them are numbered, different effects. I think they're trumpery wraps though. Electrified. Picked up a case of those. Picked up a case of Effing Mints. I'm hoping it's the banger in the middle, but I don't know. Time will tell. Thinking about doing it New Year's, but if it's so cold as it is now, probably ain't gonna do it. But also picked up Triple. Case of the Don't Panic 2022s. Two to one. Don't trade on me. Last but not least, I had to pick up another God Bless America. All the reasons because the price I got for it ended up paying $260 for it, which ain't bad for that. And I paid, I think, $220 for that, $250 for the case of the Don't Panics, $225 for Triple. It's like $220 for the Effing Mints, $180 for those, $300 for the case of the Thriller cans. So yeah, I got that to add to my other stash over here. It just keeps on adding up. After New Year or after tax time, I'm definitely gonna pick up a big load, a big load. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.